We're here at a super crazy spot, waiting for the sun to go down. Last day here in Dubai, last photo shoot. I'm gonna strap on the GoPro and try to get some shots for you guys. Because that view there when the sun will be a little bit lower is just woo-oo. Start by getting the drone in the air. Getting a drone shot, baby. Shoot. Pro tip if you're done with shooting and you're a little bit on edgy spots or drones are not really allowed, maybe take out your memory card. This looks so good. It's crazy. Let's get some foreground elements in the mix. Oh, birds. Yes. Let's go. Let's quickly go up here because I'm actually not allowed here. I just really quickly want to grab a photo here. Or maybe with this frame. Oh, I think if we go a little bit back. Yeah. Alright, let's go up. Because I really want to maximize the shots that I can take here in this place before they kick me out. Luckily, it's pretty far from where all the other people are. So maybe I'll be lucky. Ooh, love this foreground element. Let's see if I can shoot it through. Oh yeah, the bokeh is insane with this lens. Oh, a bird, a bird. I think that really adds to the photo if you have some life in it. So like some bird. Another fake one, not a Photoshop one. Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. Waiting for a bird again. Let's go there. Oh yeah, this is the shot. So many foreground elements. And then a boat that's there. That just makes the picture complete. Don't trespass, but I have to say this was like 100% worth it. Hello. Oh my god, yeah, bird, bird, bird. Yes, sir. Let's try to capture it between the palm trees. That's gonna look amazing. Oh yes, sir. I think it will be better on this side. Oh yes, this is the one. Woo. Okay, the sun is really going down now. Oh, maybe here between these. Yeah. Awesome. So happy I came to this spot. Really amazing. I'm actually gonna have to run now and shoot a little faster, but try to make my way all the way over there to that other viewpoint and shoot some photos from there. Oh, maybe one with the trees here as a little bit of a foreground element. And now the sun is also crazy behind the bush. It's insane, guys. It's gonna be weird, but I'm gonna be ready here to catch the last sun over there. Can I snap one picture of you guys?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, 1 second, sorry. Just do the same what you were doing. I think they practiced. Wait, stay like that, stay like that. Together, interact with each other, yeah. Alright, great. I think this is maybe one of the most photogenic places I've ever been to. Everywhere where you snap a photo, it just looks amazing. Pro tip, just go to good locations and you're instantly a better photographer. Or maybe we can use this as a frame. Let's try. Yep, that does not look bad. Better if I'm a little bit more back, I think. I think it might be cool to use this to frame it. Might actually be a perfect frame. Okay, I'm gonna have to climb this little thing here. Oh, this is the most beautiful foreground element. It feels like they just built it for this picture. Maybe we can include one of these flamingos in the photo for some extra pop of color. That was the spot I was before, guys. Yeah, I feel like here an 85 would be absolutely insane, but I don't have time to switch lenses. Maybe if I'm there for the last minute, I'll switch to an 85, see how that looks. So many birds right now. Pretty cool. I love this APS-C function, by the way, on a Sony. Sometimes I feel it's just a little far, and boom, I switched to APS-C and I got kind of like a 50 with this 55mm lens. After I'm gonna for sure get some KFC, guys, because I think all this walking and running around is making me burn calories like crazy in this heat. Oh, some people are getting married. It's cool. It's like behind the scenes shots of that. I don't know if you guys pick up on this on the GoPro, but the sun is absolutely insane at the moment. Yo, this is an insane frame. Need to be a bit taller, guys. Little picture of the spot where I was hiding before. For the last 5 minutes of somewhat light, I slept on the 85, which actually, yeah, looks pretty sick. Let's wait for a bird. Okay, one last photo because we have this ship arriving here, which is gonna give like, yeah, just way more story to the photo. So I'm just gonna wait here till the ship is almost in the frame. Slow boat, guys. Oh, here it is.